Welcome to our tutorial on how to calculate interest payments per period and the total interest with Excel formulas. In this video, we'll walk you through the process step by step. Step 1. Start by entering your data in an Excel spreadsheet. Let's take an example of a credit card installment agreement. You have a bill of $3,000 to be paid over 12 months with an annual interest rate of 9.6%. Enter your data just like this. The loan amount in cell A1, the number of periods in A2, and the annual interest rate in A3. In this example, it's $3,000, 12 months, and 9.6% respectively. Now, in cell F6, let's calculate the interest payment for each month. Simply type in the following formula and press Enter. Step 3. With cell F6 selected, drag the autofill handle down to cover the cells where you want to apply this formula. And there you have it. The interest payments per month are now calculated at once. But what if you want to know the total interest paid over the entire loan period? To find the total interest paid, simply type this formula in a new cell, for example, in cell F13, and press Enter. Now, you can see the total interest payments for this credit card agreement. It's as easy as that. That's a wrap on our tutorial for calculating interest payments per period and the total interest using Excel formulas. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching.